So during preparation, you can take one of the two sides. The one side, which is often taken up by most of the aspirants, is like, oh, this preparation is very burdensome. We need to work very hard. What is that we're working for? What is that we're going to achieve after cracking entrance or after pursuing MDS? So that is one version. The other version is, yes, preparation is a challenge. Let me take that as an opportunity to enhance my theoretical and clinical skills, and let me use it to get a better degree so that I can shine in my professional career. So you can choose either one of them. You all have a choice. Because ultimately, these healthcare sciences are about serving humanity. You're being part of something larger than yourself. And with these degrees, with the skills that you acquire, you can do selfless service and in the process earn money, fame, etc. Because these are byproducts, but not the end result. Serving people selflessly, giving your best, looking at the healthcare needs of the society which has taken care of you really means something. Attitude is a decider for one's personal and professional lives. I'm not talking about being positive and not being negative. It's not as simplistic as that. Attitude is something which you develop in the process of your life journey towards any particular task or event, or for that matter towards life itself. Seeing things as they are is very much important to enhance one's attitude. Take for suppose entrance preparation. Isn't entrance an opportunity for you to enhance your theoretical knowledge? Isn't entrance preparation an opportunity for you to apply the theoretical knowledge towards the clinicals? Isn't entrance preparation an opportunity for you to test yourself, to test your limits? If you have this enhanced attitude, you will have enhanced results as a natural consequence. By changing one's attitude, we can change our entire universe. Our entire universe. Wish you all the best. Love you all.